Hello everyone. Now I want to show you about some feature on Samsung or all Samsung. Here I want to show you about feature with sound problem or sound not here and volume not work also. You can press volume down, volume up, and you will see not work too. Okay, volume key not work, and sound in this phone not work also. You can test sound on this phone by setting. Okay, touch here. You can test sound. Okay, sound not here, not here too, not here. Okay, it's not work. Sound not here, and volume key not work too. Okay, when you press volume, you will get message from system. Yes. Okay, message from system not work. Now we can show it. You can show it by just touch on setting and scroll down. Scroll down. You can touch accessibility and scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, you will see turn off all sound. You can see it, but now we untick here. We untick it. Okay, untick, and you will see. You will hear sound. Okay, you will hear sound. And press volume test again. Okay, volume work. Volume work good. And test sound. Sound. Okay, very good. Okay, this is something that you must know on all Samsung, or any Samsung, or any Galaxy Samsung, or all Galaxy. You must resolve it by this way. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.